Most people don't know about this lesser-known region, known as the Asteroid Belt, which is located between the inner and the outer planets, and is home to thousands of rocks and debris, known as asteroids, and some of the dwarf planets. All of these orbit the Sun. Now that many of us are unaware about this region, let us take a closer look at it. In this video, we will be discussing some amazing facts about the asteroid belt that is sure to leave you amazed. Number 1. How far away is the asteroid belt? The asteroid belt is between the planets Mars and Jupiter. It is located about 329 to 478 million kilometers away from the Sun. The asteroid belt is huge, and the space between each of the asteroids is over 600,000 miles. Now, an interesting point to note here is that the circumference of Earth is only 24,901.45 miles, which means that the distance between objects in the asteroid belt is more than 24 times the circumference of Earth. Number 2. When was the asteroid belt discovered? It was first discovered in 1801 when Giuseppe Piazzi discovered Ceres. Ceres is a dwarf planet, and was the first object to be observed in the asteroid belt. 15 months later, a large asteroid was spotted and was named Pallas. Over the next few decades, more objects were found, and in the 1850s astronomers began calling the region the asteroid belt. By the year 2000, over 100,000 asteroids had been discovered. Number 3. Asteroid belt consists of objects other than asteroids too. As the name suggests, many people believe that the belt is crowded with asteroids. However, this is not the case. The asteroid belt is so vast that the objects are widely spread out. In fact, various spacecraft have managed to easily travel through the belt without collision. Number 4. Astronomers used to believe that the objects within the asteroid belt were the residue of a planet smaller than Earth's moon that had exploded. However, this theory is now accepted to be untrue, and it is thought the asteroids were never part of a planet. Number 5. An asteroid might have killed the dinosaurs. The fossil record for dinosaurs and other creatures of their era showed that they rapidly disappeared around 65 million or 66 million years ago. According to National Geographic, there are two hypotheses for this event: an asteroid or comet hitting the Earth, or a huge volcano eruption. Number 6. Ceres, being a dwarf planet, is the most massive object in the asteroid belt. Despite there being hundreds of thousands of asteroids, almost half of the whole mass is composed of only 4 objects: Pallas, Hygiea, Vesta, and the dwarf planet named Ceres. Ceres alone accounts for over 39% of the asteroid belt's total mass. Amazingly, the total mass of rocks and material in the asteroid belt is calculated to be just 4% of the total mass of Earth's moon. Number 7. Pioneer 10 was the first spacecraft to travel across the asteroid belt in July 1972. Scientists at NASA weren't even sure it would survive the journey. They thought it might smash into little asteroids. However, since those first Pioneer space probes crossed the main belt, there have been at least 10 more that have successfully ventured through, which is no surprise as recent calculations have determined the chances of hitting an asteroid are 1 billion to 1. Number 8. It is believed there are lots of valuable rare earth minerals and metals making up the asteroid belt, so there are several private companies that have set up hoping to mine them one day. These companies include Deep Space Industries, Planetary Sources, Lunasonde, Kepler Energy, and Space Engineering. Number 9. Did you know that these asteroids could actually crash on the Earth's surface? Gravitational forces can throw asteroids out of the belt and send them towards the inner solar system, crashing them into other planets. Number 10. Now, what do you think could be the size of these asteroids? The size of the objects within the asteroid belt varies a lot, ranging from being as small as a dust particle to almost 1,000 kilometers wide. The largest is the Ceres, which is the only dwarf planet in the asteroid belt. That was all about Asteroid Belt for you. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, Explified.